Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived at G7 summit venue to attend the summit in Hiroshima, Japan. He was welcomed by Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida at the venue. Congress Legislative Party leader Siddaramaiah will be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Karnataka for the second term today, along with Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivkumar as the Deputy Chief Minister. The Reserve Bank of India has decided to withdraw 2000 rupees denomination banknotes from circulation under the Clean Note policy. The 2000 rupee note, however, will continue to be a legal tender. Japan has expressed keen interest in joining India's Unified Payment Interface (UPI) system. In an interview with the media channel, Japanese Digital Minister Kono Taro highlighted the ongoing digital cooperation between the two countries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded India's defence production crossing 1 lakh crore rupees mark for the first time ever.